Invocation from your sublime subdued abode at the Pothala. O Tara, born from the green letters thumb, your crown enrolled with Amitabha, action mother of all the Buddhas of 3 times, Tara, please come with your attendants. Prostration, the gods and demi-gods bow to you lotus feet. O Tara, you who rescue all who are destitute to you, Mother's Tara, I pay homage, the precious homage to you, Venerable Arya Tara, homage to you, Tara, the sipped heroine, whose eyes are like an instant flash of lightning, whose waters burn face arises from the blooming lotus of Avalokiteshvara, protector of the 3 worlds, homage to you, Tara, whose face is like 100 full atoms moon gathered together, blazing with the expanding light of 1,000 stars assembled. Homage to you, Tara, born from a golden blue lotus, whose hands are beautifully adorned with lotus flower. You who are the embodiment of giving, joy, effort, asceticism, pacification, passion, concentration, and all object of practice. Homage to you, Tara, the crown pinnacle of those gone, whose deed overcome infinite evil, who have attained transcendent perfection without expectation, and upon whom the sons of the victorious one rely. Homage to you, Tara, who with the letters Tutare and Home fill the realm of desire, direction and space, whose feet trample on the 7 worlds, and who are able to draw all beings to you. Homage to you, Tara, venerated by Indra, Agni, Brahma, Vayu, and Ishvara, and praised by the assembly of spirit, race, corpses, Gandharva, and all Yakshas. Homage to you, Tara, whose T-R-A-T and P-S-A-T destroy entirely the magical hoods of others, with your right leg bent and left outstretched and pressing your bond instantly within a wall of fire. Homage to you, Tara, the great fearful one whose letters Ture destroy the mighty demons completely, who with a wrathful expressions on your waters born face slay all enemies without an expectations. Homage to you, Tara, whose fingers adorns your heart with the gesture of sublime precious 3, adorns with a will striking all direction without expectations, with the totality of your one rays of light. Homage to you, Tara, whose radiant crown ornament, joyful and magnificent, extend a garland of light, and who by your lighters of Tutare conquered the demon and all of the world. Homage to you, Tara, who you are able to invoke the entire assembly of local protectors, whose wrathful expressions fiercely snake rescue the impoverished through the letters whom. Homage to you, Tara, whose crown is adorned within the crescent moon, wearing ornament exceedingly bright. From your hairs note the Buddha Amitabha radiate entirely with the great beams of light. Homage to you, Tara, who deal with a blazing garland that resembles the fire at the end of this old age. Surrounded by joy, you sit with your right leg extended and left withdrawn completely, destroying all the masses of enemies. Homage to you, Tara, with hand on the ground by your side, pressing your heel and stamping your foot on the earth. With a wrathful glance from your eyes you subdue all 7 levels through the syllable home. Homage to you, Tara, O happy, virtuous and peaceful one, the very object of practice, pass beyond shadows. You are perfectly enthroned with Soha and Om, overcoming completely all the great evils. Homage to you, Tara, surrounded by the joyous one. You completely subdued the bodies of all enemies. your speech is adorned with the 10 syllables, and your rescue all through the knowledge letter home. Homage to you, Tara, stamping your feet and proclaiming Ture, your seed syllable itself in the aspect of whom causes Meru, Mandhara and the Vidya mountains, and all the three world to tremble and shake. Homage to you, Tara, who hold in your hand the hurry mark moon like the celestial ocean. By uttering Tara twice and the letters path, you dispel all the poisons without any expectations. Homage to you, Tara, upon whom the king of the assembled gods, the gods themselves and all Khanaras rely, whose magnificence armor gives joy to all. You who dispel all the despite and bad dreams. Homage to you, Tara, whose two eyes, the sun and moon, radiant and excellent illuminating light. By uttering Hara twice and Tuthare, you dispel all violent epidemic disease. Homage to you, Tara, adorned by the three suchness perfectly endowed with the power of serenity. You who destroy the host of evil spirit, raise corpses and yakshas. O Ture, most excellent and sublime, thus concludes this praise of the root mantra and the offering of the 21's homage.